All right, your story sounds a little fishy to me.
A mistake. She trusted somebody else to give her a bag, and the bag happened to have a gun in it. She accepted the plea bargain to put this behind her rather than taking a chance at the trial.
Who did you trust? What is their name?
My brother.
Oh, why were you at this hotel?
My brother called me.
All right, your story sounds a
Courtroom Chronicle.
little fishy to me. Calling 2023 CR 0923, State of Texas versus Cordelia Childress. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Tracy Beerhead, Your Honor.
for the defense?
John Young?
And are you Miss Childress?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason, thank you, the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. Childress, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There is a $1,500 fine and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No,
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all this attached.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. This was a mistake. She trusted somebody else to give her a bag, and the bag happened to have a gun in it. He accepted the plea bargain to put this behind her rather than taking a chance at the trial.
Who did you trust? What is their name?
My brother.
Oh. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3-year-old.
And where's the 3-year-old?
She's with family members right now.
What family members?
Her grandmother, paternal grandmother.
Have you been in a part of her life at all?
Not much.
So are you planning, there's someone looking through the glass, like the song, How Much Is That Doggy in the Window or something?
Not associated with us, Your Honor.
Okay. So are you employed?
I was, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
I work for Olive Garden, ma'am.
All right, Olive Garden,
Yes, ma'am.
their calamari is not as good as it used to be.
They changed
Stop.
the batter.
All right, so you can talk to them about that.
Yes. ma'am.
Landry has got the best calamari.
They do?
They
Okay.
do, down on the river.
You know, Olive Garden is under the umbrella with Red Lobster.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a Darden restaurant.
Yep. And so Olive Garden, your mushrooms would be so much better if you would stuff them with the shrimp like they do at Red Lobster. I'm just throwing that out there.
I'll make sure and let my manager.
But you all do have the best salad dressing.
Yes.
So, but don't put enough tomatoes in your salad. I'm just, or cucumbers. I don't know why they don't do
It's
that.
like the cherries in the fruit salad.
Yeah.
You can always
Got to
request
hunt
more.
for them.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. You all, I don't know what's the best, their breadsticks or the cheddar biscuits. I'm just saying that because you
Cheddar
work there. We know it's the cheddar
The
biscuit.
cheddar biscuits are,
we know.
are just the best thing that the Red Lobster's got.
So, do you have a place to live?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you going to go back and try to get work at Olive Garden?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 14 to Ingram.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do we have any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
Why were you at this hotel?
My brother called me.
All right. Your story sounds a little fishy to me, but what I'm going to tell you is when you're on probation out of this court, we take it very seriously.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to have to complete everything and they are going to drug test you. Okay. So how long have you been in custody?
Since November.
Oh, wow.
I've
Why
only
hasn't you been-
I've only been involved for about a month here.
Well, I will tell you, this case is from 2023. At least that's the case number on the file. So we don't have people in this court sitting at jail that long. So once it came to my attention, here we are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that'll be probated. 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes
Yes, ma'am.
with raindrops to rainbows. We'll try it. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. So what that means is with your 3-year-old, if you are visiting her, you cannot have the grandmother leave and you just stay there by yourself. Counsel, I'll consider changing that once she's done some parenting classes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person,
Yes, ma'am.
regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months and probation thereafter as probation deems necessary. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Yes, if she completes the parenting class, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 35 now.
All right, you're 35. You need to know, because you're on paper, you cannot be accepting items from people, even family members, and not knowing what it is. All right. And the other thing, could you tell Olive Garden that when you ask for gnocchi soup, there needs to be some gnocchi in the gnocchi. Otherwise, you're just giving me some broth with chicken bits in it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand you're charged with the offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
State of Texas versus Jacqueline Robinson. And are you Jacqueline Robinson? All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Robinson, I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Understand you're charged with the offense of robbery. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Robinson, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Kristen Braden, Braden, and no contact with the Dollar General store. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and a MIC evaluation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State exhibit number 1 with all this attachment, Your Honor.
No objection.
All right, state, you can be excused to continue to confer. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we just ask that you follow the plea bargain.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 33.
All right, if you were released today, who would you be living with?
Haven for Hope.
Have you ever been diagnosed for mental health issues?
Yes.
What is your diagnosis?
Bipolar and schizophrenic.
Are you currently on any medications at the jail?
Yes.
At the time of this offense, were you on your medications?
And
Do you have any children?
yes.
How many?
I have 3.
What are their ages?
19, 9, and by 6 months.
19,
9
9,
and 6 months.
6 months. Where are they?
My newborn, he is with my father.
And where is the 9-year-old?
With foster care.
How long has the 9-year-old been in foster care?
Since 2 months after he was born.
Oh, so have your rights been terminated?
Yes.
Is Child Protective Services involved now?
For 3 more months. Or, 3 or a few, I have 3 months, 3 more months to be sober, and then I can start my business.
All right. And so what's your issue with sobriety? What have you been using in the past?
Methamphetamines,
When's the last time you used meth before you were placed in custody?
2 days before.
Do you have any violent history?
Like, what do you mean?
Well, have you ever been charged with hitting someone, ever been to prison?
Yes,
All right, what is your history?
just assaults.
All right, what type of assaults?
Like, hitting.
Well, have you ever been charged or arrested for hitting someone other than this case?
Yes,
All right, what was that?
that was, it was me and my roommate, we had gotten into it.
Okay, so have you ever been to prison before?
Yes,
All right, what did you go to prison for?
wow, it's been a while.
That's okay.
I
The
don't.
reason why I'm asking you these questions is because I'm trying to come up with conditions of probation where you'll be successful, okay?
Mhm.
So, what did you go to prison for?
I believe it was assault.
Was this here in Bear County?
No,
Counsel, are you aware of any out-of-county charges?
No, Your Honor.
State, on this case involving Jacqueline Robinson, are you aware of her out-of-county criminal history?
Judge,
In Bear County, it's just misdemeanors.
Okay. Because I'm trying to figure out what treatment. I'm inclined to follow your plea bargain agreement, but I won't be able to know what is available for you if I don't know what your history is, because there are some treatments where they won't accept you based upon your history.
She is really trying to keep the newborn out of the system. And so I have given her some possible places that are live-in programs where she can live with a baby
Okay.
that I've talked to UHS about. And so we're hoping when she does the mental health evaluation with the Center for Healthcare Services that they can refer her possibly to one of these programs and to treatment.
And see, I do know that felony drug court has a dual diagnosis component treatment, and they would have access to perhaps placing you. But then also, if you're following through with CPS has a program, but I don't know if you're following through. Do you know who your CPS attorney is?
John Hardy.
John who?
John Hardy.
Okay.
the judge, I don't see, in 2013, she had a misdemeanor assault, but it was dismissed.
Okay, so there's nothing
And then,
NCIC?
as far as out of county goes, it looks like from August of 2022, there's a resisting arrest from New Braunfels, but I don't see a disposition. So those are the only, if you want to call
Okay,
assaultive type history that I see.
all right, this is what I'm going to do. And I'm sorry, defense, is there anything you would like to add?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so it's going to be 4 years deferred adjudication, CPS compliance, no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to want a MIC evaluation, felony drug court evaluation. The felony drug court evaluation, that'll be while in custody. They'll be able to see you this week because we're doing it earlier in the week. I'm going to want parenting classes and probation. If you can coordinate with CPS, because if you're doing parenting classes for CPS and complete them, then I won't require you to have parenting classes here. But if for some reason you're not doing what you're supposed to do on CPS, then you're going to have to do the parenting classes here. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. How long will it take the TAP evaluation in custody?
Your Honor, about a week.
All right, we're going to do TAP evaluation while in custody. Of course, if you're accepted to felony drug court, then felony drug court will probably accept you sooner than the TAP is done.
Okay.
Are you receiving any type of SSI or anything?
No.
All right, proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Christian, Braden, or the Dollar General stores. So that means you can't go to any Dollar General, you understand?
Yes.
Probation, I'm going to ask for field visits. And I'm so sorry, we're going to do it 2 times per month until she's stabilized on her medications, or if she's with felony drug court, then you don't have to do the field visits. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
In this court, we're off the record. In this court, probation communication is key. So if there's ever an issue, just let your probation officer know. If you feel like your probation officer is not being responsive, we're here Monday through Friday. You can come in and ask to speak to me.
Okay.
All right, thank you.